Hey everyone, and welcome back to CoinBlaw, your personal navigator for the crypto universe. Think of the blockchain world as a collection of different countries, each speaking its own unique language. You've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all amazing, but they struggle to talk directly to each other. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful solutions to this problem, Axelar. We're going to break down exactly what it is, explore its real-world partnerships, understand how the AXL token works, and finally look at its future prospects from our vantage point here in 2026. So get ready to meet the universal translator of blockchains. Let's jump right into the world of Axelar. All right, let's start with the most basic question. What on earth is Axelar? The easiest way to think about it is as a universal translator, or even better, the TCP/IP protocol for blockchains. When you use the internet, you don't worry about what kind of computer or network is sending the data, right? That's because the standard TCP/IP protocol handles everything behind the scenes. Axelar aims to be exactly that for the blockchain world. Axelar's core technology is called General Message Passing, or GMP. The name might sound a bit technical, but the concept is simple. It allows a DApp on Ethereum to call a secure function on a smart contract over on the Avalanche chain as if they were on the same network. This goes way beyond the simple concept of a bridge, which just moves assets from one chain to another. With GMP, you can enable truly complex interactions. Imagine earning an NFT in an Ethereum-based game and then lending it out directly on a Polygon-based marketplace to earn yield. It's the difference between just wiring money to an overseas bank account and actually using that foreign account to invest in local stocks or take out a loan. It's a whole new level of functionality. Axelar achieves this using a hub-and-spoke model. The Axelar network acts as the central hub, and the 50-plus connected blockchains are the spokes. This means developers don't have to build custom integrations for every new chain. They just connect to Axelar once and can instantly communicate with the entire ecosystem. The true power of Axelar isn't just in its tech, but in how it's leveraging that tech to build real-world partnerships and expand its ecosystem. One of the most significant examples is the partnership with the TON Foundation, which was announced back in October 2023. This collaboration aims to integrate the open network, which is closely linked with the Telegram messenger, into the Axelar network. The implications of this are massive. It potentially opens the door for Telegram's hundreds of millions of users to interact with the broader blockchain ecosystem. Now, this doesn't mean every Telegram user will be using Axelar overnight, but it represents the first crucial step in a long-term, gradual integration. It means DApps within Telegram can use Axelar's GMP to tap into DeFi services on Ethereum or access NFT assets on Polygon. And it doesn't stop there. Axelar is also collaborating with tech giants like Microsoft. By offering its nodes and services on the Microsoft Azure marketplace, Axelar is making it easier for enterprises to build and deploy cross-chain solutions. Furthermore, they're working with Onyx by JP Morgan, exploring how traditional financial institutions can leverage assets across various blockchains. This shows Axelar is expanding its influence far beyond just crypto-native projects. Axelar isn't just chasing one-off partnerships, it's making strategic moves to position itself as the fundamental infrastructure for the entire Web3 ecosystem. Behind this innovative technology is a rock-solid team. Co-founders Sergey Gorbunov and Georgios Vlachos both earned their PhDs at MIT and were part of the founding team for Algorand, the blockchain project started by Turing Award winner Silvio Micali. These guys have deep expertise in cryptography and distributed systems, and they've been steadfastly leading Axelar from its inception to today. Let's be clear, any recent rumors you might have heard about team changes or a potential sale of the project are completely unfounded. The founding team remains at the core of the project, driving its vision forward. This is incredibly important for Axelar's long-term stability and trustworthiness. So, how does the AXL token fit into this massive ecosystem? The AXL token has three primary functions. First, network security. Axelar operates on a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Validators stake their AXL tokens to help secure the network and validate cross-chain transactions. In return for their service, they earn rewards. This is the core mechanism that maintains the network's decentralization and integrity. Second, transaction fees. When a user initiates a cross-chain transaction through the Axelar network, they pay a fee in AXL tokens. This creates a direct link between network usage and demand for the AXL token. As the network gets busier, the demand for AXL naturally increases. And third, governance. AXL token holders have the right to vote on key network proposals, such as integrating a new blockchain or upgrading the protocol. This empowers the community to have a direct say in the project's future direction. Some ideas you may have seen discussed, like co-staking with Bitcoin or Ethereum or a 100% fee burn model, are not part of Axelar's official tokenomics at this time. Of course, new models could be introduced via a governance vote in the future, but for now, these three core utilities are what back the value of the AXL token. Okay, now for the most exciting part. Here in February 2026, how should we view the future of Axelar? Axelar's long-term success hinges on one major question. Will the multi-chain world become the dominant paradigm? And right now, every indicator in the market is screaming yes. We're moving past the era of one chain trying to do everything. Instead, we are entering an age where multiple specialized chains coexist and interact. Axelar has the potential to become the critical infrastructure for this new era. There are a few key points we need to be watching closely going forward. First is the adoption of the AVM. The AVM is a technology that allows developers to easily write smart contracts that work across multiple chains. It's like applying the write once, run anywhere concept to the blockchain. If the AVM sees widespread adoption, Axelar will transform from being just a bridge into a true interchain development platform. Second, we need to track the growth in actual network transaction volume. Partnership announcements are great, but what really matters for the AXL token's value is how many real transactions are flowing through the network as a result. We need to watch if the TON integration translates into tangible volume and see how many more dApps adopt GMP. Finally, we must consider the competitive landscape. While Axelar is a clear leader in this space, it faces stiff competition from powerful rivals like Layer 0 and Wormhole. How Axelar continues to innovate and maintain its edge in this race for ecosystem dominance will be a critical factor for its future growth. Conclusion. To wrap it all up, Axelar is a foundational interchain infrastructure project connecting the fragmented world of blockchains. It's backed by a world-class technical team from MIT and is building real-world utility through major partnerships like TON and Microsoft. The AXL token is designed to capture value from this ecosystem's growth, serving critical roles in security, fees, and governance. Of course, every technology faces challenges and competition, but as the blockchain universe becomes more complex and diverse, the need for a seamless connectivity solution like Axelar will only become more critical. I hope today's deep dive helped you understand this complex but crucial project. What are your thoughts on Axelar's future? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is CoinBlaw signing off. Thanks for watching.